Good afternoon, everyone. I am Faris Tafi Matawi from the Industrial Logistics and Electronics Management Study program with NIM 2501055527. Today, I would like to introduce a very useful kitchen tool called a food chopper. Whether you are a home cook, a bushy parent, or someone who simply wants to save time in the kitchen, a food chopper can make food preparation much easier and faster. Let's learn more about what a food chopper is, how it works, and why it is such a valuable tool in kitchen. What is a food chopper? A food chopper is a kitchen appliance or manual tool designed to chop, mince, dice, and blend ingredients quickly and efficiently. It usually consists of a container, sharp rotating blades, and mechanism that powers the blades either manually or electrically. Food choppers come in different sizes and designs. Some are small manual choppers are work by pulling a cord or pressing a handle, with others are electronic models that operate with the push of a button. The main purpose of a food chopper is to reduce the time and effort needed for food preparation. Why do people use food chopper? Many people spend a significant amount of time cutting vegetables, herbs, and other ingredients by hand. This process can be tiring, especially when preparing meals for a large and speeder occasion. A food chopper helps. Food is a problem by saving preparation time, reducing physical effort, providing consistent cutting result, and improving kitchen efficiently, making cooking more convenient. Instead of spending several minutes chopping onions or garlic, you can achieve the same result in the few seconds. Common use of a food chopper. Now let's look at some the most common use of food chopper in the kitchen. Number one is chopping vegetables. One of the primary use of a food chopper is chopping vegetables. You can quickly chop onions, carrot, bell peppers, celery, cabbage, cucumbers. This is especially useful when preparing soups, salads, stir fries, and other dishes that require multiple vegetables. And mincing garlic and herbs. Garlic and fresh herbs can be difficult and time consuming to mince by hand. A food chopper allows you to finely chop garlic, parsley, cilantro, basil, mint, and then this helps enhance the flavor is dishes while saving preparation time and preparing ingredients for sauce and dips. For chopper are excellent for making sauce and dips. For example, you can prepare sauce garlic and pesto, guacamole, tomato sauce, and then the blades help create a smooth and even texture, making homemade sauce easier to prepare. Chopping nuts and fruits. Chopping nuts and fruit. You can food chopper can also be used to process nuts and fruits. This big chopper you can chop almonds, walnuts, peanuts, and apples, strawberries, and many raw fruits. And then these ingredients can then be added to desserts, baked goods, salads, or breakfast dishes. Next, preparing baby food. You can preparing baby food. Many parents use food choppers to prepare fresh baby food at home. Number one is cooked vegetable. Foods can be blended into the soft texture suitable for babies. This allows parents to provide nutritious homemade meals while controlling use ingredients. Advantage of using a food chopper. Let's discuss some of the key advantage. And number one is save time. The biggest advantage is speed. task that normally takes several minutes can often be complete in seconds. And number two is a consistent result. The ingredients are chopped into similar size, mm, which helps food cook more evenly. And three, safer than expensive knife work. Although chopper care is still necessary, using a food chopper can reduce the amount repetitive knife work required. And number four, easy to use. Most modern chop are designed with simple controls and user-friendly features. And number five is easy to clean. Many food choppers have removable parts that can the washes quickly, making cleanup simple. Next tips for using a food chopper. To get the best result, here are a few useful tips. And number one is cut large ingredients into smaller pieces before placing them in the chopper. Avoid overfilling the container. Pulse in the short bursts to control the texture. Clean the blades carefully as they are very sharp. Follow the manufacturer instruction for safe operation. By following these tips, you can improve performance and extend the life of your food chopper. And then last in conclusion is a food chopper is a practical and versatile kitchen tool that helps make food preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. It can be used for chopping vegetables, mincing herbs, preparing sauce, processing fruits and nuts, and even making baby food. With its ability to save time, provide consistent result, it has become as essential applications in many kitchens around the world. Whatever you are an experienced cook or a beginner, a food chopper can help simply your cooking process and make meal preparation more enjoyable. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.